Hi viewers, I am Dilip Intour here. I'm gonna show you today how to personalize your letter and emails with unique name, email ID of a person who receives your communication. There are at times during a festival season or a New Year's greetings that we may wish to send out to all friends, customers and stakeholders. Wouldn't it be awkward if you print out a general appeal or greetings sent out to all your acquaintances? How would they feel if you have personalized this name and details on the letter or email? Wouldn't it be more touched to show your feelings to them? Yes, it would be awesome. Let's see how to do that very easily. Open your Word document. I have opened the Word document here. I'm just going to give you some example. Let's say, dear, okay, time being I'll put it XYX. And I'm going to say warm greetings. This is done. Okay. So this is a sample email appeal letter we have here, and I'm going to just imagine I'm going to send out this to a huge volume, and I'm going to personalize here with their name, their donation, their contributed amount here. So this amount may vary, so we'll have to insert that personally from the Excel. So before we continue this mail merging, let's start with MS Excel. Let's do a sample here. I'm going to take some samples here. I'm going to say serial number, I'm going to say title, say So I have created a sample data here. So this will be our database that we are going to insert for Excel. So I'm just going to save this. I'm going to save this on the desktop. Okay. I'm going to mail merge. I'm going to say mail merge. This is already a document, so I'm going to replace the document. Yes. I'm closing this Excel file, and here I'm going to insert those fields here. Okay, I'm going to remove this XYX. I'm going to insert name of a person, donor. So I'm going to the mailers, select your start mail merge. So you have to say you have the letter here and this is the letter, or if you want to upload any letter which is already you have saved, you can open it and choose this. Say now you have to choose your database. So I am choosing my database here. So we have kept that in desktop. Opening it, I'm going to say mail merge. Yeah, we have the document. So it's asking you where is the data. It is in sheet 1 or sheet 2 or sheet 3. I have to say sheet 1. Though it says first row of data contains column headers. Yes, we have given the column headers. So yes, it's done. Now you have to insert your fields. Like click on this arrow mark, you have the drop down list, serial number. So whatever fields that we have created, all those headers are here. So now you have to choose title, a dot, and then first name, space, last name, comma is already there. So let me preview my datas. Yes, yeah, yes, we have. So now we'll go here and we'll say donation rupees. So I'm going to insert this field here, insert, okay, donation received, okay, donation received. So dated, I'm going to remove this date. I'm going to insert a dated here. Okay, it's done. Let me preview the date here. Yes, yeah, I'm going to change. Now we're able to see one first data. I'm going to click on here to see the second data. So you can see the figures changed here, 6,000. The details also has been changed. So here we have email address. So I'm going to insert the email address here. Email ID. Okay, done. abc@gmail.com. Okay, if you want to highlight this email, you can do that. You can say bold, Control B. So I have done this, and here I'm going to bold this, Control B. So we are done with it. So there are only 2 documents, so no more clicks here. Okay, so we have done the appeal letter here, or the greetings. This is just an appeal letter. You have a season greetings, you have to text it with your greetings, say warm greetings and things, whatever you want to personalize. I'm just showing you how to insert the names and things. Okay, now I finish. Suppose I want to print this instead of mailing. How do I do this? So you cannot do the printing from here, which will become incorrect, because you will be able to print only the document, the name that is seen here, but we have to print it separately. So we'll have to use this tool here, finish and merge. So here I will be saying print document. So I'll have to choose print document from. So now we have only 2 documents, that is 2 database fields. So I can say all, or I can choose only one, the first appeal only to print, and say OK, and then choose your printers same as normal. Then here you don't have to say all pages or nothing, so it will do it automatically. So suppose you are very specific and you have more 2-3 letters, and the second and third are the common letters, or the first letter is personalized, then here you can specify print only 1 letter. Okay, and if you want to choose the paper size, you want to ensure that it doesn't go out of the paper outline, you can choose A4 and say OK, hit OK. Now I have not connected the printer, so I'm not giving OK. So this is how you print the letters. I'm going to show you how to send this to mail. Okay, this same letter you're going to send it by mail. Yeah, send email message. So if you have configured Outlook in your Office, MS Office, here you can insert those, then this will work. Otherwise you have to set your Outlook Express, and then you can do this. You want to know how to set up your Outlook Express, you can watch my next video. Here I'm going to choose email ID, so 2, and then subject line you can say reminder for donation. So I'm going to say charity, or you can name the organization's name so that the donor gets the message. Otherwise he might think it's a spam message. Okay, and here you choose whether you want to send this letter as an attachment or a plain text, just like this, and and then you can choose, suppose your current record, and then say click OK, and suppose you have bulk mailers, just like printing, you have to choose here. I'm going to choose document 1 and 1, or if you're going to print all the documents, suppose you have 1000 mail IDs, you have to choose mail ID here and just say current record or send all, and then click OK, and it will take you to Outlook Express and it will swing. So So we have done here. So what are these things? These things you can we can learn. We just click on it. It will highlight your merged fields. And this is address book. And suppose you have Outlook Express and all your address contacts are here. You can use that as well. See here the rules, set of rules you have, and these rules will check, cross check. There are no, there's any repetitions of this, anything that you want to check. All that you can do here, but basically you don't have to do all that unless until you are very technically savvy and you have lakhs and lakhs of data and you want to go through the errors in your database, and you can anytime you can do that with these rules and this thing. So so we have done this. So what if I have to print an appeal with an address fields, so that you can fold this letter with the address field. Just now you can go with it. You can say communication address, and you can just insert the fields, the title. Okay, I'm going to say preview title. I'm going to say dot. I'm going to say first name space. I'm going to say second name. I'm going to say comma, enter. I'm going to insert the address 1. I'm going to insert address 2 for the next row. I'm going to say city, then space. I'm going to insert pin code. Okay, done. Let me preview the data. Yes, here it is. So you can also print the address fields in your letter, and you can fold it like this into 3, and if you're using a window envelope, so you can locate where the window is, and accordingly you can move the fields so that it is visible on your address window envelope. I hope you enjoyed this session, and for any feedbacks and comments, please write to me, or you can write it below in the comment field. Don't forget to hit the like button if you really like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching this video. Namaskar.